Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use N8N to generate images. Now you can use whatever image generator you would like. For example, if you are using like Midjourney, or if you are using another application, you can use it via an API using the HTTP request node. Today what I will be doing is I'll just be showing you how you can generate an image using the OpenAI node inside N8N. So first, what I have here is I just have a form submission. This is just basically what it's going to take in our prompt. We're going to just describe the image that we would like for the AI model to generate. Now, before just passing in our prompt, what I'd like to do is, in order to get a better quality image, I usually like to have an OpenAI model that first enhances our prompt. So I'll just show you what that looks like right here. I have a system prompt. This just tells the model how to identify, and I say that it is a special and intelligent assistant that is tasked with enhancing prompts for better quality image generation. Then what I do is I give it a user prompt over here, and I'll just expand this so you can quickly look at it, and I just tell it that it's an expert prompt enhancer, and to basically take in the user's prompt, enhance it with better details, and then just output only the improved prompt. Then what I have over here is I just give it an example. So I give it an assistant prompt, and I say, for example, if the user gives this simple input, example futuristic city, then it should output a highly detailed prompt to generate an image, which you can just see over here. So system prompts are very, very good for giving examples. Then lastly, what I do is I give the user prompt, i.e. the prompt that we input into our form submission. Then lastly, we have the actual image generator model from OpenAI. If we go into here, I just basically pass in the output prompt from the previous AI model, and you can see over here that I have selected generate image, and you can see that there are a couple of different models over here. In order to use GPT Image 1, you do have to make sure that inside your platform OpenAI that your organization is verified. So go ahead and do that before if you want to use this GPT Image 1. I'm just going to go ahead and use the DALL-E 3 image generator here. So lastly, why don't we actually test our workflow to see if it works. So I'm just going to go ahead over here and say a cat playing with a ball of yarn. So when I go ahead and submit this, now you can see that it's going, and it took in our prompt and enhanced it with a much better quality prompt. Now it's going to input this prompt into our image generator, and we should get a much better quality image. So sometimes this can take a little bit of time. However, now we can actually view our image. And voila! You can see that now we have a nice little cute cat over here playing with a ball of yarn. So that is how you can use N8N to produce a high quality image, completely automated. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and I will see you in the next one.